मुबारक मुबारक आई है ईद, ईद मुबारक आई है ईद।
Add some onions in there. We've got the cinnamon stick here, we've got the black cardamom, 3 pieces of black cardamom, and we've got 1 or 2 bay leaves, and we've got 3 cloves. So I'm going to add 3 cloves in there, going to add some cinnamon sticks, 3 black cardamoms, and 2 to 3 bay leaves. Gonna add the garlic ginger cube, 1 tablespoon zira, 1 tablespoon black pepper. Give it a good mix. We're gonna add the tomatoes in there. Now we're going to let it cook for 15-20 minutes. So now I'm going to add the chops, lamb chops in there. So we're going to cook it on a high flame for 5-10 minutes and keep stirring it at the same time. And I add a little bit of water. So now we're going to put the flame down. So now we're going to add the masala in there. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt or salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon tandoori powder, 2 whole red chilies. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add a little bit of water in there. So we're going to let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll check it on it again. We're going to make sure the chops are tender. So see you in about 20 odd minutes. So alhamdulillah, I can see the chops has gone tender. So we're gonna cook it for another 10 minutes. But before that, we're gonna add the 1 teaspoon fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, on top of it. It gives that extra flavor. Give it a good mix. So we're gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes, and then our lamb chop should be ready. So see you in 10 minutes. So alhamdulillah, our lamb chops are ready. We're gonna garnish it with some coriander on top of it. Our lamb chops, it's ready, and now we're gonna taste it and see if it tastes really good. So I got my pita bread here, so let's try this. It looks delicious and tastes. Let's see the taste now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lamb chops मैंने ले लिया. Look at that, the way it just is so tender. And the masala is absolutely delicious. So alhamdulillah, the lamb chops, the way I made it with the masala, absolutely delicious, and it looks good, it tastes good. So do try this recipe at home and let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know how did you find this recipe. So all I'm going to say for now is have a great Eid. I hope you guys enjoy with the family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and do share it with family and friends. And all I'm going to say for now is take care and Khuda Hafiz.
Mubarak Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak.